Hey people, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel Cafe Crafts. Here we do tutorials on crochet items, and I'm glad to be back with my first tutorial this year. Earlier this year someone saw me with this piece and decided to order it, so we're going to make a tutorial of it custom made. We'll be needing 2 balls of yarn, pearls, a crochet needle, thread, needle, and a pair of scissors. We are going to be using the double crochet stitch throughout the project, and for the first row we're going to do 6 chain stitches, 2 double stitches on the 4th chain stitch, and then a single double stitch on the 2nd, and 2 double stitches on the 6th chain stitch. When we're starting the 2nd row, we'll do 3 chain stitches, and on the first loop after the 3 chain stitches we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches, then continue with a single crochet stitch until the last loop where we'll do 2 more double crochet stitches. So basically the first and the last loop we're going to be doing 2 double crochet stitches. I want you guys to note that whenever you are starting a row, you have to start with chain stitches. If you're starting a double crochet stitch, you'll start with 3 chain stitches. If it's a treble stitch, you'll start with 4 chain stitches. If it's a single crochet stitch, you'll start with 1 chain stitch. We are now in the 4th row and we are doing 2 double crochet stitches in the first and the last loop of the row, and we'll be doing this till the 5th row. On the 6th row, we're going to be doing 3 double stitches on the first and the last loop after the 3 chain stitches. This is to widen the triangular shape that is going to be formed there, because we're going closer to the chest. I will be doing this in intervals because the client's chest is about 18 inches wide, but we're going to be doing more than 18 inches. On the 7th row, we'll continue with the pattern, which was 2 double crochet stitches on the first and the last loop after the 3 chain stitches, and we'll continue this till the 9th row.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
As I said earlier, we'll be repeating these patterns in intervals, and on the 10th row we are going to be doing the 3 double crochet stitches on the first and the last loop.
Why?
Now for the next 3 rows, which is 11 to 13, we'll be doing the 2 double crochet stitches on the first and the last loop. It might be confusing the way I'm changing these patterns, but I don't want it to be too wide and I don't want it to be too narrow for the client. We are now 15 rows in and I'm checking if it's wide enough. We can see it's at 17 inches. I just want to add a few more rows, maybe like 7 more rows. And from the row 14, the previous one, I started adding the 3 double crochet stitches on both ends, which is the first and the last loop. So I'll do this for the next 7 rows to make sure it's wide enough. Almost done with the body, and now we'll be doing the ropes or the strings using the chain stitches. I'm going to make 100 of those, and then I'll attach them to the body, like around the edges, using the slip stitch. I'll do this for the next 8 rows, and then I'll switch to chain stitches, which will be 80 in total, and then I'll do a slip stitch on those chain stitches to make it thicker. That's how I do my ropes. Once I'm done with the slip stitches on the chain stitch, I'll continue with the slip stitches on the side of the piece till the tip of the triangle, where I'll do like 3 chain stitches, and then continue the slip stitch and do the same process on the other side. I'll continue with these slip stitches till the first chain stitches that I did, the 100 ones. Yeah, so I'll just do the slip stitches to make the rope thicker, and I told you before that's how I normally do my ropes, my strings on my pieces. This is how it looks without the accessories. And now I'm going to add the accessories, which are my pearls. And I'm going to be using my needle and my thread. You can accessorize them or thread them however you want. As for me, I decided to put as many as I could and make them uniform. So this is the final look. This is how it looks after adding the accessory. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video. If you make your own piece, comment down below. Like, share and subscribe on my channel. Bye.